In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Teachable API key. If you've ever needed to retire an old integration, remove access for a former contractor, or you suspect a key may be exposed, revoking an API key is the safest way to shut it down immediately. An API key is like a password for software. Anyone who has it can access the connected parts of your Teachable school. That's why this process is simple, deliberate, and permanent. Start from your admin dashboard. From there, open Settings, then select the API section. This is where all of your existing keys are listed. Take a moment to identify the exact key you want to remove. You might rely on the key's label, the creation date, or any notes you've kept about which key powers which integration. Double-checking here is important, because once you revoke a key, it can't be used again. When you've found the correct key, look to the right of it for the three dots, sometimes labeled More Actions. Click that menu to reveal the available options. Choose Revoke Key. Teachable will prompt you to confirm, and this pause is by design. Read the confirmation message carefully so you know you're acting on the right key. If everything looks correct, confirm the action. After you confirm, the key is permanently disabled. It cannot be restored or reactivated, and any app, plugin, or service that was using that key will immediately lose access. In the API list, you may see the key marked as revoked or removed to reflect its new status. This is intentional and helps you maintain a clean, auditable record of access. A few practical tips as you do this. Because revocation is instant, consider the timing so you don't unintentionally interrupt active processes. If multiple team members manage integrations, make sure everyone knows which key you're revoking to avoid surprises. It's also a good habit to keep clear names or notes on your keys so you can quickly tell what each one does. And remember, revoking is the correct choice whenever a key is no longer needed, or you're concerned it may have been exposed. You can always create a separate key later for a specific integration with limited permissions, which helps keep your system secure. That's it. You've gone to Admin, opened Settings, selected API, located the right key, used the More Actions menu to revoke it, and confirmed. Your Teachable API key is now securely and permanently disabled.